Every child possesses limitless potential and they deserve nothing but the finest education. Strategic financial planning is necessary to combat the escalating fees and financial requirements. Are you making sure that your savings and investments are prudently done? In this video, let us evaluate the performance of the HDFC Life Click to Achieve plan by reviewing it in detail. Let us get to the video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to help make the right financial and investment decision, and also to help you reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: your life insurance cover ensures the financial security of your family, and you also get flexibility to receive the guaranteed benefits as a lump sum or as regular income. And you have premium offset feature, which allows you to offset your premium against survival benefit payout, and your survival or income benefits can be deferred and allowed to accrue and taken as lump sum when required. And there are two plan options in this policy. Number one is Smart Student, number two is Dream Achiever. So option 1, Smart Student, is specifically designed for students, and option 2 is common for all. Now let us take a look at the benefits. So this policy has benefits like death benefit, survival benefit, maturity benefit, and other inbuilt features, but they all differs according to what kind of plan option you have chosen. If you want to take a look at it in detail, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of this policy. So the advantages are: you have the option to decrease your premiums after completion of 5 policy years, and you can also make changes in your premium payment frequency and income benefit frequency, and policy loans will be available subjected to a maximum of 80% of your surrender value, and juvenile critical illness cover is available on payment of an additional premium. The policy holder of this policy also have an option to defer his or her survival or income benefit. So these are the advantage. Disadvantages are: your plan option once chosen can't be changed after inception, and some of the features are available at an extra premium, and there is no maturity benefit under the Smart Student plan option. These are some of the drawbacks that you need to consider before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to analyze the IRR of this policy, which is the internal rate of return, to see what kind of returns we will get at the end of the day, because that's what will help us reach a informed decision. So let us assume for calculation purpose that a 35-year-old male opts for the Dream Achiever option under this policy. The sum assured is 10 lakhs, the policy term and the premium paying term are 15 years, the annual premium amount is 1 lakh. Since the policy holder has chosen the lump sum benefit, there is no survival benefit. The final maturity value here is 24 lakh 7,052 rupees. The IRR calculation for this cash flow is 5.21%. Here, the survival benefit is deferred. Even in such case, the IRR is below par than even a debt instrument return. If you opt for survival benefit under this policy, the returns will be at rock bottom. So, all the benefits are customizable under the plan, but the returns don't look that promising. So now, let us compute the returns for similar investment in an alternative investment strategy. So, instead of investing in an insurance cum investment policy like this, here in the alternative comparative analysis, we are going to separate insurance and investment components and invest in it separately. So just for calculation purpose, let us assume that the same metrics as in the previous example would be applied here, and also we will work out the IRR for this strategy as well. So for life cover purpose, we are going to opt for a pure term life insurance policy. So the premium for this would be 5,000 rupees per annum, but the sum assured is 10 lakhs. So the policy term and premium paying term of 15 years. In the same previous example, the same premium would cost 1 lakh. Here, this leaves us with a balance of 95,000 for investment. So, minding your goals and time horizon is very important while choosing an investment vehicle. Investors with high risk profiles can go for equity instruments, and investors who are risk averse, like conservative investors, can settle with debt instrument. Make sure your risk profile aligns with the investment's risk profile. So, PPF account and ELSS are chosen here to to illustrate the returns under debt and equity asset classes respectively. Final maturity value under the PPF account, which is in combination with term insurance, is 25.76 lakhs. So it yields us an IRR of 6.51%. And in ELS's case, your maturity value are subjected to capital gains tax. So the tax calculation and the required tax amount is set aside from the proceeds. So the post-tax maturity value under ELSS plus term insurance combination is 36.64 lakhs and the IRR for the same is 10.54%, which is a post-tax return. So working out the IRR for both the investment vehicle reveals us that the investing separately for life goal is always the right choice because the returns are higher than the inflation rate. These investments have an upper hand over traditional life insurance policies in terms of returns as well as liquidity. So what is the final verdict on HDFC Life Click to Achieve plan? This policy aims to cater to goals that require periodic payments spread over 3 to 4 years. Based on your financial requirements, you can customize your plan. So funding a financial goal with lump sum is different from funding a goal that requires resources across different time frames. On that note, this policy helps you to customize the survival benefit, which is an added advantage. Other than that, this policy is the traditional life insurance policy offering mediocre returns. Return on investment due to hefty charges and high agent commission is lesser than the inflation rate, resulting in a deficit in the corpus required for the financial goal. In essence, it neither provides you with appropriate life cover nor helps you in achieving your financial goals. Term policies offer a high coverage amount at lower premium compared to other life insurance products like this, so they provide straightforward life coverage without investment or savings component, ensuring financial protection for your family. For life's financial goal, you can build a diversified investment portfolio with or without the help of a financial expert, but with the expert it will make the investment journey more easier for you. So keeping your investments separate from insurance is the right path to reach your financial goals.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.